If we're looking at multiple reflections with vertical lines of reflection, here's an example. Here's a triangle ABC, there it is, and we're going to put it over our y-axis. So let's draw in the y-axis. And the rules of reflection are I just count out how many units to the line of reflection. So let's do that for A. That's 4 units. And I continue on 4 more units. I'm going to label that point A prime. Do the same thing with B. That's 7 units more B prime. C is 5 units more. That's C prime. So we'll put this triangle in there in blue. So this is triangle A prime, B prime, C prime, which has been reflected over the y-axis from triangle ABC. Now let's reflect that blue triangle, that triangle we just reflected, over another vertical line. In this case, we'll make it y equals 2. So let's put in the line of reflection in purple here. There it is. And now we just do our exact same rules again. So A is, or A prime in this case, is 2 units to the line of reflection. So we go 2 more, and we'll call that A double prime. B is 5 units. So we go 5 more and call that B double prime. And then C is 3 units. So we go 3 units, continue the same direction, call that C double prime, and we'll put that triangle in green. So now there's our second reflected triangle. Now let's look at just the red and the green one, the one that we started with and the one that's been reflected twice. So let's look at just those two. There they are. The question is, how else could you describe the transformation from that red triangle to that green triangle? And so if we look at it, if we go from A to A prime, we are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 units to the right. If we look at B to B prime, we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 units to the right. And if we look at C to C prime, we are 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 units to the right. So the answer is triangle ABC was transformed into triangle A double prime, B double prime, C double prime by a translation of 4 units to the right. So a translation to the right could be done with 2 different reflections.